Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Boat AirDopes 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says the product name is written on the top. It says Get Set Play, and it says dual tone ergonomic design, immersive auditory experience on the box on the top. Once you turn it at the back, there are some specifications mentioned. So some features: it has 3x charge, single press voice assistant, instant pairing, Bluetooth version 5.0, easy access multifunction control with mic. Okay, and let's just go ahead and unbox this, open it up. Remove the wrapping. That's what the box looks like, and there are two seals, one at the bottom. Okay, once you remove both the seals, the product just slides out. Okay, and these are the Boat 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. As you can see, it's got a little bit of an indicator display there. Set this to the side. What else do you get? So you get a little box which would contain the charging cable. Yep, so it has a micro USB charging cable. You get 4 extra ear tips that come in the box. Okay, and what else do you get in the box? So you get some documents. There's a quick start guide, user manual, quick start guide, and some other documents that come. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Boat AirDopes 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.